everyone! Today, we're exploring a different rubber tree plantation. Let's see what amazing creatures are hiding here. Oh my, wait. Oh my gosh, look at the size of this giant millipede. It's trying to get away. Gotcha! Wow, this one is huge. It's bouncing around. Let's see. Whoa, no way! Look at this. A whole nest of giant millipedes! Oh my gosh, just look at this one! It's huge! No way! Here's another one! This is the third giant millipede! Whoa, just look at the size of it! It's even bigger than I expected! Easy, don't get away! Wow! This one is huge! Look at that! It's curling into a tight little ball! That's so cool! Oh, look at this! A snail! Oh no, it's dead. Let's find something alive. Ooh, another one! Let's see. Whoa, this is crazy! 3 giant scorpions and a whole group of giant millipedes? No way! Oh no, one is getting away! It's climbing up the tree! Wait, don't go. Easy. Gotcha. Whew, that was close. Whoa, look at this black giant. It's huge. Don't let him get away. We have to catch them before they escape. Whoa, another one. Oh my gosh, look at this monster. This one is huge too. No way. Just look at the size of it. Whoa, this is the third one. Let's get a closer look. Wow, look at this giant black scorpion. It's so strong. Just look at those powerful legs. What an incredible monster. Oh no, they're all getting away. One, whoa, it's huge. This one has to be extra big. 2, just look at the size of this giant. Whoa. 3, they're running everywhere. Wait, is there another one hiding? Nothing else here? Come on, let's find another hiding spot. I have a feeling we're not done yet. Let's check. Nope, nothing here. Next one. Let's check this one. Whoa, ants! So many of them. Hey, look at that. They're carrying the eggs. They're in a hurry. All right, we'll leave this family alone. Let's keep searching. Oh, another one. Let's see. Nothing. Come on, the next one has to be better. Oh, it's getting dark. We'd better hurry. Oh, there you are, Penny. Everyone, this is my best little partner. She follows me everywhere I go. Come on, Penny, let's find something amazing. No way. It's a giant millipede. Easy, don't run. Got it. Nice and easy. Into the container you go. All right, let's see what's under this one. Whoa, no way! 2 frogs and giant millipedes too? This is crazy. Hey, one's jumping. Come back. Oh no. Easy. Gotcha. Nice try. Into the container. Whoa, gotcha. You're not getting away. And these giant millipedes. Come here. 1 and 2. Look at them curl up into the container. Wow, just look at these 2 frogs. That was an awesome find. Wow, just look at this. What a beautiful frog. No way. Look at those bright yellow stripes. Wow, this little guy is gorgeous. Easy. You're such an amazing little frog. Whoa, look at this one. Wow, this little frog looks amazing. Hey, don't jump. Come back. Nice try. Gotcha. Easy, easy. Whew, you're a fast little guy. Wow, just look at that face. What a beautiful frog. Hey, don't jump. Come back. Nice try. Gotcha. All right, back into the container you go. Stay there, little buddy. A giant millipede!